Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 where we will learn about home conversations. Like in our home, the conversations that we do with our relatives, with our members in the house, with your friends. We will talk about those today. Again, I will follow the same pattern. I will say the same sentence 3 times. One, very slow. Second, it is a bit level high. And the third is in a natural tone. And those who are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, without wasting the time, let's begin with the video. So, today I will tell you the first sentence for this conversation. It is, मुझे भूख लगी है. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. खाने में क्या है? Most common question. What's for dinner? What's for dinner? What's for dinner? खाना तैयार है. Food is ready. Food is ready. Food is ready. कृपया खाना परोस दीजिए. Please serve the food. Please serve the food. Please serve the food. यह बहुत स्वादिष्ट है. It's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious. मुझे घर का खाना पसंद है. I like home food. I like home food. I like home food. I also like home food. Do you like? Do tell me in the comments. पंखा बंद कर दो. Turn off the fan. Turn off the fan. Turn off the fan. Light चालू करो. Switch on the light. Switch on the light. Switch on the light. Charger कहाँ है? Where is the charger? Where is the charger? Where is the charger? मेरे फोन की बैटरी कम है. My phone battery is low. My phone battery is low. My phone battery is low. अपना कमरा साफ करो. Clean your room. Clean your room. Clean your room. घर बिखरा हुआ है. The house is messy. The house is messy. The house is messy. मेरी मदद करो. Please help me. Please help me. Please help me. मैं बाद में करूँगा. I will do it later. I will do it later. I will do it later. चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. सब ठीक है. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. मुझे बोरियत हो रही है. I am feeling bored. I am feeling bored. I am feeling bored. चलो बात करते हैं. Let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. सोने का समय हो गया है. Time for bed. Time for bed. Time for bed. शुभ रात्रि. Good night. Good night. Good night. So with this, the 20 sentences ends up. So you will use them again and again daily. Stand in front of the mirror and practice it, and you will surely see a positive change. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video with another sentences. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.